Within Vizrt, there are a few little shortcuts that can help you navigate the user interface at times. And to start, beneath the main tab bar, you'll notice this gray drop-down box. Rather than using our built-ins and our different tabs, we can use this little drop-down box to navigate through our different tabs. So if we want primitives, we select primitives. If we want function containers, we can click on that and it changes. If we want shaders, click on that. Function scenes or video sources, that changes as well. Same thing as just tabbing through these various tabs here. So I have a scene set up here with a couple of basic primitives and some materials and images. In the scene tree, you're going to notice another drop down here that we can click on, and it gives us the options for basic, sort, search, scene log, and scene info. It's set to basic by default, but if we wanted to come down here and sort or to see different variations of our scene tree, we can use this. So this will allow us to sort different areas. So what it says is vector list. If vector list is highlighted, it shows you the vector list and what are the biggest primitives here with the most vectors. And it tells you right here the vector count of each one. If we want to check out the render time list, we can click on that and it shows us also the percentage of the render time. There's also a sort by colors, and there's also a texture size list. Now I only have a texture on 3 of these, and this one tells us which one has the biggest texture. Underneath search, there's another option here. So if I want to find a container named cog, I can type in a name right there, and I can come over here and I can search a couple of different ways. First, I can say show next. So if I do that, it will highlight the next one in the list. Or if I want to say show first, it will highlight the first container named cog. So that's the first one. If I want to go to show previous, I can do that one. There's also an option for show last, and there's also an option for show all. And when I hit show all, it highlights both of them. I can also use this search to find various functions within the scene tree too. So if I come into my function container and let's say I want to find an alpha, I can drop an alpha plugin onto this one, and I can come over here and say find me the one that has the alpha, and it highlights that container that has the alpha. There's also a scene log here, so it gives you a little log. There's also a scene info, so if we click this, this allows us to create little notes and attach it to this scene. So we can type something in here, and when we close it, it should have it. Now when we did that, there's also this little eye over here which turned orange, so we click on that and it brings up those scene information, and you can attach this information to every scene that you create. Within the same little bar here, you're going to notice this star. If you click on the star, it opens up another little gutter window, and this window is basically the favorites. So we can drag our favorite things down here, our favorite plugins or primitives that we like to use, and that way every time we don't have to keep coming up into our built-ins tab and searching for different functions or primitives that we want to use. We can close this favorites and open it, and it will always keep these favorite primitives or functions within here. So within these favorites, we also have the options for things like objects, materials, material advanced, images, fonts, primitives, function primitives, shaders, and all. So if you want to quickly search through them without having to go through all of them, you can do that as well.